If you want your children to be happy, teach them to see things exactly the way they are, not as they think they should be or as they think they want them to be, not as they need them to be, but exactly the way they are. Being in touch with truth is key to happiness. And in my quest to raise happy children who would then become happy men, I teach them to see things exactly for what they are. And this means without assumptions, without stories, just see them as is, with uncomplicated eyes. Clarity of perception is important because it allows us to go without stumbling. It allows us to go at ease because we see clearly.